how to fix Discord no route RTC connecting, and the very basic troubleshooting steps that I'm going to be providing you are going to be all possible fixes. So first of all, open up your Discord client and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Just go into your user settings by clicking out into the gear icon. From here, all I have to do next is scroll down a bit, then go to voice and video. Now, from input device and output device, make sure that these devices that you're using are all correct and working. Now, the second thing to do is just simply detach it from your PC or laptop and try to reconnect once again. Next thing to do is go into debugging and simply reset voice and video settings. Once you've done that, and then if the issue still persists, just go back or go into your Windows logo here, type in CMD, and make sure to run this as an administrator. Now the command that you need to execute is just ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. Hit on enter, exit the CMD prompt, restart your PC, and just simply rerun your Discord again. So those are the very basic troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Discord no route RTC connecting.